Hi gorgeous, here are hoodie string styles for you. So here is the first tutorial and it is the most slower version. I hope it will be very easy to understand. Now here is a final turn and there you go. I hope you are going to like it. Next one is also very easy. Simply tie a knot like this and we are going to tie 3 knots on each side like this. It is very simple and it is looking so beautiful. So we are going to repeat the same to the other side and it is done. I hope you are going to like it. Next one is also very simple. Simply fold the string and now keep on passing it through every new fold like this. At one go we are going to pass from down to upper side and to the next we are going to pass from upper to down side. I hope it is easy to understand. And there you go. So here is a repetition of first tutorial. Here we are repeating it 3 times and you will see that it will also look very beautiful. So you can use same design in your version, in your style with a little bit innovation. So next one is also very easy. Here again we are making folds passing through the previous fold like this. It is also very easy. So pass the string through the previous fold to make a new fold or a new loop like this. And it is done. It is also looking very beautiful. Next one is also very easy. Fold the string and now keep on wrapping it around like this. Now take the edge and pass it through the first loop and pull the edge, set it, again pass it through the hole and there you go. I hope you are going to like it. So there were many requests about the tutorial of this particular knot. So here is a quite slower version of it. I hope now it will be very easy to understand. And now you can make it or tie it very easily. And it is quite popular and it looks very beautiful. So next one is also very easy, simple and beautiful. Simply tie a knot and make a loop like this. Now fold the string and pass the edge through the loop and now through the fold and stretch it. Now set it and it is done. I hope you are going to like it. So next, fold the string around your fingers like this. Now wrap it around the folds and tie a knot like this. Pull the edge, open the folds, and there you go. It was also very easy and it is looking beautiful. Next, again, here is very slower version. Simply tie a knot. Now make a fold and pass the edge from down to upper side through the hole. Now take the other string, again pass it through the mid hole and tie a knot. Again pass it through the mid hole and through the folds like this. Now pull both of the strings and it is done. So next, again wrap the string around your fingers 3 times. Now wrap the string around the folds and tie a knot to secure them. Now pull the edge, open the folds, and your stylish look is ready. Next one is also very easy. Fold the string. Now simply make a braid like this, and at the end pass the edge through the loop like this, and your beautiful style is ready. Next one is also very easy. Simply fold the string and wrap it around like this. Now pass the edge through the first fold and pull it. Now again pass the edge through the mid hole. Now pass the other string from down to upper side through the mid hole, and now from upper to down side, and it is done. Next one is also very easy. Fold your string like this. Now keep on wrapping it around. Here are 2 strings of different colors. Keep on wrapping both of them, and now pass the edges through the loop. Pull the edges, and your beautiful string style is ready. In the next, we are using a pen. Fold your string and wrap it around the pen like this. Now take the edge, pull the pen and pass the edge through the folds and pull it, and your simply beautiful look is ready. Next is also the same one, the one we have seen in the beginning of this video, but it is a little different from that. Quite similar with that, but a little different. Here also we are making folds, and it is done. Now fold your string wrap it around, fold it again and again wrap it around. Now pass the edge through the mid hole, pull the edge, set the folds and wraps, and you are done. I hope you are going to like it. So next one is also very beautiful. Fold your string and pass the edge through the folds like this. Here we have a loop at the end. Pass the edge through the loop and through the folds like this. Pull the edge, set the folds, and you are done. So next one is also very easy. Fold the string, fold it twice like this. Now take the other side and wrap it around the folds and tie a knot to secure the folds. Pull both of the sides and it is done. I hope you are going to like these all string styles. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you all.